Yep. You see the hood wide open. Maybe asking, what's wrong with her now? This piece of shit's always breaking on me. I'm tired of it. Mechanic boy here.
What's going on, guys?
Back. First the alternator. I mean, valve cover's been needing to change, but oil finally filled up one of the spark plug holes, and she is misfiring like a bitch yet again. Well, what's up, guys? Welcome to the channel, man. We are going to be replacing Nizzy's final part, and then everything on this car has been replaced besides the starter, but God knows when that's going to give out. You guys hear it? You guys hear my Nismo tractor? Nismo tractor. V8 muscle car, boy. We LS swapped this joint. VHR plenum is out. Cleaned up the throttle bodies. That boy making moves, man. Motor is apart. Alright, so I don't know if I updated you guys or not, but valve covers have been replaced. We checked in the hole, which was cylinder 1 right here, right there, as you can see with the Z1 coil pack. I thought there was going to be oil from the valve covers leaking. Having oil, spark plug was going to be filled, and I thought that's what was causing the misfire. Sadly, we have no idea what the fuck is wrong with the car. This thing, the fuel regulator, whatever you want to call this little fuel, it has a name. I don't know the name of it. This little thing right here is dripping fuel, and they said that if that is dripping fuel, that air is getting in it. If it has any opening, leaking, anything like that, air could be getting into it, which could be causing the misfire. We're going to change that out today. Whether that fixes it or not, it's still leaking. Have to fix that. So I got it from my local Z plug. Ta-da. Got a new one. Going to be changing this one out. And if that doesn't fix the problem, then I'm leaning towards injectors could be clogged. It is almost to 15,000 miles. It's actually at 15,000 miles, almost 16. So most likely injectors have been clogged up by E85 and need a good cleaning. And if that's not the case, the final step, a compression test, because cylinder 1 is the reason that we have this misfire due to the code reader. Cylinder 1, signs going on. This section right here, something's going on. So the final step, compression testing the motor. Hopefully, God forbid, one of these 2 steps, injectors, that little fuel thing, fixes this, because this whole motor's refreshed. There's no way. Of course, the guy that does the maintenance on his fucking HR blows it up, but the people that don't do maintenance last forever. But I do abuse and beat the shit out of this car, so I just want my car running. I hate not having a car. Let's see what we could do, waiting for my cousin to pull up, and we're gonna be swapping out the little fuel thing. My boy is here. So yeah, man, let's get to work. I'll get back to you guys in a little bit. All right, guys, step 1, like I said, to recovering Nizzy was that little gas thing. That boy fixed it, swapped it out. Let's see if step 1 is the cure to Nizzy's heart, or onto step fucking number 2, the dark side. Well, guys, step 1, failure. Bitch sounds like a tractor still. Fucking John Deere Nismo. Get on my black coupe tractor. But it's not leaking. But yeah, still misfiring like shit. So, step 2. Every car guy's worst nightmare. Compression test. Well, YouTube, as you could tell, it is nighttime, and sadly, the car is still sounding like a shitty tractor. We did that fuel little thing. Step 1 changed. Step 2, compression test. Compression's looking really good. So now we are left with the final task, which is injectors. We're going to try to unclog the injectors, see if they're even clogged, take them out, get them cleaned, install them back, and see if that will fix Nizzy's misfire problem. Alright, YouTube, the final and last step to hopefully fixing this goddamn car. Because if not, then I don't know what the hell's wrong with this piece of shit. The injectors. You guys want to see what these just look like? So, I think this is what they're supposed to look like. Nice, shiny silver. You can see the holes. Then it goes worse. Then it gets a little worser. Then it goes there. Then it goes, what the fuck? Then it goes, Jesus! No, I'm not gonna lie. That has to be the problem. YouTube. I know it looked like somebody's auntie yet again with my bonnet on, but whatever, it doesn't even matter. We finally fixed Nizzy. So guys, as you can see, the engine bay is nice and fresh. We cleaned her up after finally fixing her. Cleaned the injectors. Even the guy that cleaned the injectors said, yo, those injectors look bad. This is definitely gonna be the problem. This is what's gonna fix it, yada yada. I was happy. We came home, put the injectors in. Car was still misfiring like shit. I was so mad I gave up. 2 weeks later go by. Had my homeboy that works on these cars just come by, take a look. Maybe he sees something that we don't see. Come to find out, he was like, okay, car is given a code for cylinder 1. Let's work with cylinder 1. Check the coil pack. Coil pack was given spark, whatever. He brought his own spark plugs, some used ones, threw a new one in from his pack in the thing. Come to find out, that fixed the problem, bro. The spark plug in cylinder 1 had the slightest on the top of the hook thing was bent. The top hook was bent down a little bit. I guess whoever installed it must have like pushed it down, and eventually after the part that gets the fucking like power and shit burnt, it finally gave off the wrong spark and the gap, and it made the car misfire. Ended up buying new spark plugs, the smallest. Yo, and the thing was, we pulled that spark plug out. You could barely tell unless you really inspect every spark plug and look at it. It was new spark plugs, but I guess when we installed them, the person that installed them must have hit it or something. I don't know how it bent. I'm gonna be real, I don't know how it bent. I don't care. Car's running and driving good now. Bruh, I'm so happy, guys. I'm so fucking happy. So Nizzy is finally alive again. She sounds good now, man. You hear her purring. So the car was reading bad pressure. We ended up fixing the little sensor at the bottom of the pan, and now we got good pressure again. She is sounding lovely. Anyways, guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you guys slap that like button. If you guys are new to the channel, subscribe. We're done chasing problems with Nizzy. Now it's operation. Get her clean, fix all the rust, all the peel, fix everything up, man. We're gonna fix everything. Give her a whole makeover. It's time to make her look good. Step 1, always gotta get your health right. We fixed her heart, no misfire, no leaks, no nothing. Everything has been repaired on the car. Now it's time to make her look good. So guys, if you guys want to see that video, make sure you guys subscribe if you're new. Like this video. Go watch some old videos. Go watch some new videos. Whatever you want to watch, man. Stay tuned. We're going to be getting more content out soon. Anyways, guys, it's your boy Nick Stacks. We back on this vlog and shit. I'm out. Peace.